Hey, to hard reset your HUAWEI Watch Fit free, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can do this straight on your watch by clicking on this button. Then you have to find the settings. In my case, it's at the bottom of the list. And right here, we have to also scroll all the way down, go into the system and the updates, find reset, click on it, and then tap on the switcher to erase all data from our watch. And the second method is actually available on our smartphone. So we have to go into the Huawei Health application. You have to click on the devices, select your Watch Fit 3, and you should scroll until you find this option, Restore Factory Settings. Click on it and click Restore. After this, your device will be turned off, and it will actually, this process will actually remove all data from your watch, including connection with your current device. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.